Hello parents, my name is Leslie.
And my name is Orlando, and we are excited to welcome you to our YouTube channel.
We are here to share our journey as parents with practical tips and valuable insights. We believe that parenting is a beautiful adventure and we want to be your trusted companions along the way. Our channel is all about providing you with a practical approach towards parenting that encourages creativity, inspiration, and hands-on learning for your little ones.
As parents ourselves, we know how overwhelming it can be to navigate the world of parenting. And this is why we are here to guide you step by step through this incredible journey. Whether you are a new parent or have a toddler at home, this content is created just for you. We are going to cover a range of topics from creating a nurturing environment for your child to choosing the best educational toys and tools. And we will also be reviewing some of the best products and gear that will make your life as a parent easier and more enjoyable.
We want to make sure that you have all of the information that you need to make the best informed decisions for your little ones. Now, our reviews are honest, they are informative, and most importantly, they are based on a real life parenting journey.
But it is not just about us. We are building a community here where parents just like you can come together, share their stories, and learn from each other.
So hit that subscribe button and join the growing number of parents who are passionate about providing the best for their child. Now, we promise to deliver high quality, engaging, and most importantly, informative content every single week, so you don't want to miss out.
Together, let's create an environment where our children can thrive, where we can support and uplift one another as we embark on this beautiful journey called parenting. So thank you for being part of our community. We cannot wait to see you in our next video.
Until then, continue to enjoy every special moment with your little one and continue to nurture those beautiful minds. We will see you soon.